position and rules explanation. On the beginning, if your right arm get to play, then right leg go under the table. After start, you can start to twist your wrist. On the beginning, your wrist need to be straight as well. You try to keep your shoulder closer to your hand. In this position, when your shoulder and hand get close to each other, you get strong. As longer your arm from the shoulder, then weaker your position. That's why you try to pull your hand and shoulder to stick it together. After that, you will try to move all body to the side. Not only arm, because you will be weak. All body to the side. It will make a big difference and strong. Your elbow need to be on the pad. If your elbow fell from the pad, it's 1 strike. 2 strikes, -1 point. Now the fingers position. The fingers position is very important. You will always hear in arm wrestling on the beginning, they will say knuckles, knuckles, I cannot see knuckles. That is the beginner position when no grip. Here you can see that I didn't close knuckles at all. Here we can see the knuckles are visible, and 2 fingers, point and middle, are cover your thumbs up. All right. And here, set up position, 3 to go. After referee remove your both arms and say go, you start immediately. This way it's always surprise, and you need to practice that proper start to be good on tournaments. After a couple of games, I check the strong and weak parts of my students. I start to give some tips. All right. For example, I'm telling here, try to feel this pressure. Hold it. Be strong. Don't let me do it. I pull my fist to my shoulder. If his elbow fell out of the pad, then he lose point. This way he need to keep pulling as well. Don't let me get his arm. But distance from his arm and shoulder is too long. This way he is weak in this position. This guy was very strong. This way I decided to show him a couple of tricks. Number 1, hook. Hook very useful when you bend your palm to yourself. And this position, if you're strong, you can hold the opponent. How to counter defense hook is pronation. Pronation is when you opening opponent's hook by twisting your arm and opening his hand. And another trick is racing. Racing is very important when you pull hand to yourself. The next thing very important to speak about is the safety. Safety, how to don't break your bone. The bone can snap if your position locked, if you turn your body outside of the table. That's why it's very important to keep your body parallel to the table and move together with your body, not just arm. Don't lock it outside, don't turn like this, and keep your eyes on your